Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're making a cozy, comforting London fog tea latte with Tea and Coffee Explorers. Here's what you'll need: Earl Grey tea, milk of your choice, a splash of vanilla extract, and your favorite sweetener. Start by brewing a strong cup of Earl Grey tea. Use 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea, steeped in boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes. While the tea steeps, heat your milk. You can use a stovetop or a microwave. If you have a frother, even better. We're aiming for that silky, frothy texture. Once your tea is ready, pour it into your favorite mug, filling it halfway. Add a splash of vanilla extract and sweeten to taste. Stir well to combine all those lovely flavors. Now gently pour your steamed milk into the tea. Hold back the froth with a spoon, then spoon it on top for a perfect finish. Cozy up and enjoy this delightful drink. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes from Tea and Coffee Explorers.